guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, you guys know who I am, I know who you are. If you guys don't know, I'm Rye. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. So, on my Instagram I did a poll, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on how I get my hair as curly as I do. So, this is a little tutorial on how I do my hair. As you can see, I just got out of the, well, if you guys don't know, I just got out of the shower. So the first thing I do is I take a shower, just to take a shower, and I also wash my hair. So that's the first thing I do. So after I wash my hair, I put it in this and I let it dry for a few minutes, and then I take it out. And you guys can see it's really curly, but when I take my brush, I use this brush, but you guys could use whatever brush you want. And I just brush my hair out, just to make sure like no knots are in it, and just to make sure it's nice and silky smooth. This is one of my favorite brushes, so nice and brushed out. Okay, so make sure you get all the knots out, and then I go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, just because it makes your hair smell like nice, and I just spray it all in my hair. You could use any kind of leave-in conditioner. I honestly use any one. This is the one that I'm using right now. And then I just brush it through some more. Now, I don't know if you guys part your hair. Like when I was younger, my mom used to part my hair to make it perfect. But now I have my own part, so I just leave it with however it's parted. And then I just like take my hands and scrunch it. I scrunch it beforehand because I feel like it gets a little bit more curlier. So gives your fingers a workout too. I scrunch my hair beforehand like that. And then the first thing I use, which I just started using but I really like, is L'Oreal's Boosted Volume Injecting Mousse. I just started using this about, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks ago. You guys seen if you watched my Amazon haul, I got this off Amazon, and I really like it because it makes my hair really curly. So I kind of use a lot, like, and you don't have to use a lot, but I like to use a lot of mousse. So I put a really good amount of mousse in my hand, and I like the way it feels. And then I normally do this, right? And then I just start scrunching. And this mousse smells awesome. So like, that's a good part of it. And I just start going to town and scrunching it. And then I pick up some, and then I flip, I pick it up off the floor, and I just keep scrunching it. So, if you use this mousse, you'll probably get your hair like this. This isn't the full effect. Next, I go in with my scrunching gel. Now, you could either use scrunching gel or you could use spray gel. I have both and I use both, but this is the main one I use. And then I take probably just the same amount of the gel as I do the mousse because I don't know how to not go crazy. And then I just do the same process that I just did over again. Sometimes I don't flip over because, well, the blood rushes to my head, so I just do it like this. But other times, I'm like this. And it's pretty, fun to do, like getting to flip your hair over and scrunch it, and then flip your hair back and scrunch it. It's pretty fun, I think. And I just do that for a while. Like. And sometimes I go back and I'll take the same stuff and I'll keep scrunching it, because I like the way it feels, but you guys don't have to do that. So, with both products in my hair, this is how it comes out. Now this isn't the final product, like the final thing, but like, this is pretty good, right? Like, I would walk around like this, but I like it really curly and really bouncy. So I just keep scrunching. I'm gonna go in again with my volumizing mousse, just a little bit this time, not a lot. And I'm gonna make sure I get my tips I make sure I get my tips because when my hair is really curly, the tips don't seem to curl as much as my back of the hair does. Like my bangs doesn't curl, so I make sure I get the tips. And then I scrunch the top of it, and then I go back over. Ta-da! So, make sure you wipe your hands off because it does get really sticky. Alright, so then I go in with my hairspray. You can use any hairspray. I love Tresemme. I love the way it smells. I love the way it leaves my hair. It doesn't leave your hair feeling sticky or anything like that. So I go in with Tresemme. Don't ask me why I'm shaking it. I don't know. And this is going to go crazy. My niece's cat's right there, so she might jump up, so don't get scared. And then I just go crazy with this hairspray. Crazy, like I might get sticky again. And then I flip over. And I go even crazier. Okay. So, this isn't the final look. If you guys are wondering, like, that's it? Really? That's how you get your hair this curly? I use two different hair ties. I use one of these curly ones, and I use a regular one. The reason why I use two different hair ties is because I feel like this one gets your hair really curly, and this one, the black one, holds it into place. So after I'm done scrunching and getting it all beautified, I take my hair, do this part easily. So I take my hair and I put it up. And you're probably thinking, why? Really? That's it? This is not it. So what I do is I let this marinate. So like, I don't know, today's Thursday. So Saturday, I let this marinate for like 1 to 2 days. So today's Thursday. And then by Saturday, if I leave my hair up for 2 days, it should come out in those big curls. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys seen those nice curls that I get. So after that, I just spray it. Spray. Okay. So I'm going to let this marinate. Normally I let it sit up for about 1 to 2 days. So today's Thursday, so by Saturday this should be like boom. But tomorrow I'm going to take it down. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then Saturday I'm going to actually take it down and we're going to see the curls. So just stay tuned because this video is not over, and I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll see how curly it is, and then Saturday you'll get to see the final review. You guys ready? I'm so excited! Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Hey guys, and happy Friday! So, yesterday you guys seen me do my hair tutorial. Today is day 2, and I'm about to show you what my curls look like. I did not do anything with my hair, it's been up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You guys ready? Alright, so you see those curls, guys? That's what I'm talking about. Yes! So, this is a day and a half of being up. So this is what I love. Like, look at those curls. Alright guys, so day 2, right? I normally take some leave-in conditioner, same one I used yesterday, and I just spray around just to like get the knots out and make sure it smells all nice and stuff. And then, sorry, I'm going a little bit overboard with this. I'm going a little bit overboard with this because I really do need my hair cut and my hair's really frizzy. So, scrunch like you guys seen. I didn't mean to spray you guys, I'm sorry. Alright, so, I really like the way this looks, and honestly, I think it looks awesome. But I do put some more product in it, which is on my bed. So put some more product in it. So right now I'm using my spray gel, and I'm just putting a little bit more, I guess, dampness in my hair, right? I'm just scrunching it. And then tomorrow, guys, you guys are going to see my hair all nice and curly because I'm going to leave it up all night. And I'm going to leave it up all night. And then tomorrow, you're going to see the final look. And I'm going to dress it up with a nice headband or put it half up, half down. It depends on my mood. But I really like the way it looks, but I like to leave it up one extra night. And I'm going back in with my mousse that we used yesterday. So, today was tie-dye day at work, if you're wondering why I'm wearing tie-dye. The kids looked absolutely adorable, and my hair stayed up pretty well. It was up all day, but I'm very proud of my hair. Alright, guys. And then I'm going to go back in with my hairspray. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to put it back up using the same 2 hair ties I used yesterday. And like I said earlier, make sure you put it up easily. And I'm going to tie it up the same way I tied it up last night. Looks pretty cool, I think. And I'm going to go back in with the hairspray. And I know it stinks to like do this and let it marinate and all that, but this is the way I get my hair curly. So I hope you guys are enjoying how I do it because I absolutely love doing it. It's a pain in the butt to keep up for 2 days, but running around working and stuff like that, by the time the 3rd day comes, my curls are awesome. So I promise you guys, it's going to be worth the wait. So that's pretty much what I do on my 2nd day. I did work today, so it's pretty late. So tomorrow we're going to see the final look. Pretty much I'm going to take it down. I'm going to dress it up for you guys, and you guys are going to spend a little time with me trying out different headbands or different, what are they called? Hair clips. And yeah, so I really hope you guys stay tuned. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, and welcome back. So today is day 3, last day, I promise you. So we're about to take down my hair. It's been up all night, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product and why I like keeping my hair up for so long. So the hair size just fell out. But this, guys, you see this curl like at the bottom? This is why I keep my hair up for 2 days. Not just because of the heat, because it is hot where I live, but this is why, guys. Yes, like, this is why I love to keep my hair for 2 days. You see these curls? Like, bro. So that is pretty much how I get my hair as curly as I do. So before I let you guys go, I have a whole bunch of hair ties, and I'm gonna dress it up for you guys. So some of these I got off my Amazon haul. See the pretty? They're very floral. And then one I got off of Trent Shelton or Rehab Times website, which I wear them all. So I had to pick one that kind of like matching my shirt. So I'm gonna go with this one because yellow and my straight out of quarantine shirt. So sometimes I put my hair up in a curly ponytail and I let it rock like that. Sometimes I put it in like 2 pigtails and I let it rock like that. But most of the time, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, if you don't, go check it out, A Little Slice of Rye on Instagram. You guys see that I'm always just in a headband, chilling. So just pull my ears out, do a little shake, and that is pretty much it, guys. That ends this hair tutorial. So if you guys would ever try my hair tutorial, comment below. I want to hear from you guys. If you ever do try my hair tutorial, I would love to see pictures. So head over to my Instagram, like I said, A Little Slice of Rye. And if you ever try my hair tutorial, please leave me pictures. Please comment below if you ever do, because this is a lot of work, but I promise you guys it's worth it at the end. So this is the end of my journey with my hair tutorial. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I am almost at 100 subscribers, and it would be my dream to get to like a million. So please subscribe, like, share, and I love you guys. I hope you guys love this hair tutorial, and that's the end of this video. So hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.